So now we're going to talk about the bedrooms and the ensuite bath and the hall bath, if we will. So since we're planning for family, this is probably as an ensuite bath. I'm not sure if they're going to use this as an office for now, as they, as time goes by. Again, we have our built-in, our California closets, which plenty of storage in the closet, and we have great built-in bookshelves. The existing radiator and the Friedrich air conditioners with, again, that separate sill in the back, but the flush grill. We have a challenge here in the bathroom because what happened is, partly because of, I think, budget, we ended up deciding that we should change the tile. They did the floors too late, but we did them at the end. And custom vanity, we actually left the original medicine cabinet and just changed everything else, and we left the original tub and the fixtures. So we'll show you those later as we cut those photos of details into the film. And we'll take a quick look at the other bedroom, which is very similar to this one, just to show you what we changed with the size of the room. I think the other bedroom is a tad bigger than this one. Let's go take a look. So here, this is another second bedroom, which is closest to the hall bath. Originally, we had our access to the hall bath through this room. And so we changed the closet around, the storage around, so that it made more sense to have public access for the rest of the home, that becomes like the powder bath. And this becomes a guest suite until we have family members coming on, and we're keeping the other chairs for the dining room in here for now. Again, our window treatments block out in the bedroom. We decided to just leave these manual because it made more sense. We're not using them all the time. Again, our wall-to-wall covers so that we have the separate access panels to the radiator and the air conditioner, all new Friedrich air conditioners that have their water sensor device, so if there's any leaking, it shuts off. But again, consistent with the rest of the apartment, we have the same moldings and door harbor finishes. But let's go take a look at the hall bath. So the challenge in this bathroom was, and is, I think resolved well, was the floors, because they went over the floors, and I know I probably sound funny because of the emptiness of the tile bouncing the sound. The door was originally here, wall, and we had obviously the height of the floor because we went over the floors instead of ripping them out. And we changed in here, and we'll cut in photos of what this looks like. What we changed was all the wall tile, the grills, new medicine cabinet, new custom vanity, Toto water closet, and the accessories, and left the original tub, and then just used the panel, a Starfire glass panel, so that there's more, it kept it open instead of the old, and we'll cut in a before picture so you can see how awful it was before this. And this is a nice update, without breaking the bank on doing a whole brand new bathroom. But I don't know, maybe we should have, but it still looks great. So let's now go check out the main primary ensuite bath, which is quite spectacular, and bedroom. So now we're to the grand finale, which is this whole primary suite, which I'm happy to say was a great way to solve all these rabbity-hutchy rooms from this combined apartment that was never really renovated the way it should be. When we come in, this was the place to put all the electric panels and move everything and combine everything, so at least we had everything here. And having this away from the rest of the bedrooms is always something. If I could separate the master primary bedroom from the other bedrooms, it's always preferable. We have a his and hers closet, and we'll just check out the master bath, primary bath first. Again, I usually put a split finish, so the inside door matches the brushed nickel finish of we have roll. We have a incredible roll. Holborn actually is what I think we use for the wall-mounted faucets. And this beautiful mosaic. The back is marble from Cankos, which we love, our Roburn cabinets. We kind of have a contemporary vibe going on, and this is actually an incredible porcelain line, also from Kenko's, which I think looks remarkably like it. You don't really know that it's not marble. Great, beautiful matte finish, porcelain floors. We have a huge built-in linen closet, which we can show you with pictures that we'll cut in so that you can see what that is. That has, you know, pull-out hampers and tons of storage. It's like a 24-inch deep cabinet. Again, the Toto toilet, and I decided to do a framed accent wall so that we had a little bit of drama going in, and it's really stunning, I think, and I'm sure they think. And we have a big walk-in shower with this is the Starfire glass, half-inch thick, frameless, which I think makes such a huge difference. And then here you'll see we have a rain shower head and, you know, recessed lighting, and I think a great bath, great primary bath for a couple. Again, pulled the floor throughout the home so that we've got a consistency in the flooring. We put our glass in the panels on the doors, a pocket door for her master primary closet, big walk-in closet here, which we'll take a peek at, probably with pictures. Here we have the washer dryer, which is lovely to have, not vented, but still lovely to have. Again, we thought being able to soft close helps us make this space feel bigger because we've got a mirror there. All kinds of bells and whistles in here, but I think the only thing I regret is that we didn't break down and put the wired window treatment here, but it's still lovely with blackout shades. Did a big king-size bed. I know the lighting, the lamps and the accessories haven't been finished yet, but for now, with the dresser and this lamp is staying, we'll change the lamp shades and then bring in the pieces that'll finish this. My built-in, again, cabinetry around the radiator, which is huge, and then the through the wall air conditioner is fabulous. But I think we'll say probably ciao for now, and from a perspective of having a complete solution, this is one of my favorites. And I'll see you on the next.